Do we want the door closed?
Yeah.
So when the molten fragments of acrylic come spinning out.
No, I need to get a. I actually still need to get my hand in there. We're not going yet. Let me
Fire her up and see what happens.
Here we go.
Awesome. That's just awesome.
Well, for the noise that it was making, it came out pretty good. As you said, there was one little miss right here.
Yeah.
But, I mean, the rest of that, it's pretty
perfect.
good.
It's perfect, Carl.
Well, let's do it one more. Well, let's go make sure this one fits.
No. Let's just do the other one. Well, let's go see what's happening with the painted sides. Yeah, I think that'll work out, that paint. So we'll bring some more on. Should have some audio. Well, that's enough of that. These are now completed and sealed. And I think I'm going to wait to install them on the Jeep until it's a slightly warmer day than right this moment. It's a wet, cold, miserable Sunday.